Hi, and thank you for using our screen mirroring app. This video briefly explains how to install and use the free MirrorMeister audio driver for your Mac. After opening the app, check the Enable Sound on TV box. Only the first time you will see a pop-up screen. Click on the blue button which says Install Audio Driver. Type your Mac username and password and follow the instructions. Now the audio driver is successfully installed. Next, you will need to allow microphone access. We will not actually use your microphone, it's just how Apple made this to work. Select Open System Preferences. Go to Security and Privacy. Go to the Privacy tab and select Microphone. Enable the check mark next to MirrorMeister. Select Quit Now. Then open the MirrorMeister app again on your Mac.